In this first spine-tingling Ring doorbell encounter, a shadowy figure prowls around a homeowner's property, wielding a flashlight to survey the surroundings, unaware that every move is being closely monitored. The homeowner, resolute and watchful, steps forward, questioning the intruder's intentions. What follows is a tense exchange, as the trespasser attempts to mask his true motives with feigned innocence.
Yeah. I want to doorbell and water, waiting. Water, waiting.
What? Water?
Water, waiting.
I'll give you water. Just water?
Oh, you have the soda or something?
Goodness.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a man, uninvited and unannounced, boldly enters someone's property and approaches the front door with an air of assurance. As he presses the doorbell, a sense of intrigue fills the air, prompting the vigilant homeowner to question the stranger's presence within their domain. With the man's true intentions shrouded in mystery.
Yes, I apologize for disturbing you. I'm only here because I'm seeking refuge. I just need a place outdoors, of course. I don't need to be in anyone's home. I just need a place outdoors that's relatively safe for the evening, just because of my circumstances currently. I have nobody with me. I would not make any noise or do anything to disturb your peace. If you consider this, please let me know. I'll be leaving. Thank you. Hi, my name is Jason. As I stated to your message, I noticed you had a fence. I was hoping maybe you could let me stay in your yard for the night. I don't have anyone with me. I don't make noise. I just need someplace safe when I'm injured, and I just don't feel very safe.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell encounter, a lone figure stealthily navigates someone's property. With a flashlight in hand, he meticulously searches for an access point, his true intentions hidden in the darkness. As we watch his every move, we're left to ponder the chilling possibilities of this clandestine mission. In this eye-opening Ring doorbell footage, we find ourselves in a spine-tingling scenario where a suspicious figure prowls around the perimeter of someone's house, his behavior growing increasingly erratic. With an air of tension thick in the air, he seeks entry points, darting from one spot to another, his intentions remaining shrouded in mystery. However, a dramatic turn of events unfolds as he attempts to break into a parked vehicle, only to be met with the piercing sound of the vehicle's security system. Startled and exposed, the intruder swiftly departs from the scene. In this captivating Ring doorbell footage, we bear witness to a mysterious departure, as a man quietly slips out from someone's house, his face veiled in secrecy, his motives concealed. Little does he know, his every move is being watched by a vigilant neighbor, whose instincts compel her to take action. With determination, she approaches the house, knocking on the door to confirm the unfolding enigma. What follows is a chain of events set in motion by a concerned neighbor, as she reaches out to make calls that will unravel the mysteries.
Alright, I got a trick for you, Kyle. I'm calling the cops right on your ass. Right now. I get the police. This young man that I was dealing with took my keys to my car. And just so happened I located, he never brought my car back to me. Just so happened I located him at this address for my car.
In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, we find ourselves at the scene of a peculiar encounter. A man, moving stealthily around someone's property, takes time to survey his surroundings before seizing a parcel left at the front door. However, his actions do not go unnoticed, as the vigilant homeowner steps in to confront the mysterious visitor, prompting questions and concerns.
Hello?
Hey, how's it going? You picking up mail for Corey? Are you picking up? You picking up mail for Corey?
No, I'm not, I don't even know who that is.
All right, then.
I just was coming to check I was coming to check the house because I was the last owner of the house.
What's your name?
Listen, William.
You weren't the last owner of this house, bro. Put my mail down and get away from it. You said you weren't the last owner of this house because it's my house and I've lived here for 30 years. So get the hell away from my door before I call the cops. Okay? You are not the owner of this house.
In this gripping Ring doorbell moment, a man, disguised as a delivery person, stands at someone's porch, feigning innocence while surreptitiously searching for something more sinister. But as his charade unfolds, the homeowner becomes the hero of the story, stepping in just in time to thwart the intruder's plans before he can slip away.
Hey, you dropping off food?
Yes.
Your phone?
Hey, Larry. Excuse me.
Yo.
Where are you? Where are you?
In this intriguing Ring doorbell moment, a woman, seemingly at ease, moves stealthily around someone's porch, her actions growing increasingly conspicuous. Unbeknownst to her, the homeowner, keenly observant, takes action to address the situation, issuing a firm directive for her to leave the property immediately. With her intentions veiled in uncertainty.
Can I help you?
My friend Mike.
Can't sit there.
Hey. Thank you.
In this gripping Ring doorbell moment, we enter a realm of suspense and intrigue as an enigmatic figure, concealed behind a mask, boldly infiltrates someone's porch. With a clear and sinister intent, he sets his sights on a package left unattended outside the house. In a daring move, he successfully executes his theft and swiftly departs from the scene, leaving us to wonder about the audacity of this nighttime heist. In this delightful and light-hearted Ring doorbell moment, we find ourselves at the doorstep of pure canine curiosity. Meet our four-legged protagonist, a furry friend with an inquisitive spirit. With a keen eye and a wagging tail, this lovable dog takes center stage as it stands in front of the door, gazing into the doorbell camera with boundless wonder. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, under the cover of darkness, a man with sinister intentions attempts to breach the sanctity of a home. Armed with broken rocks, he hurls them at the door, relentlessly vandalizing it in an audacious bid for unlawful access. In this unusual and puzzling Ring doorbell footage, a woman approaches someone's house, her demeanor veering into the realm of the inexplicable. She displays signs of needing mental attention, yet her true intentions remain concealed, a mystery waiting to be unraveled. In this hair-raising Ring doorbell footage, a man, with ill intentions, makes relentless attempts to breach the security of a locked door using a spare key. However, his sinister efforts are thwarted by the homeowner's diligence in securing their property.
Yes?
In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, we enter the scene of a determined individual seeking unauthorized access. With persistence, he repeatedly presses the doorbell, testing the waters to see if anyone will respond. Simultaneously, he attempts to force the door open, but his efforts are in vain, as the door stands as a formidable barrier, secure and resolute under the homeowner's protection. In this distress and uncertainty Ring doorbell footage, an elderly woman, who recently fell victim to a theft, makes a determined call to the police to report her stolen truck. The conversation with the police dispatcher unfolds as they ask her a series of crucial questions in their efforts to gather information about the incident.
I mean, if you're not making payments on it.
No, it's paid
okay,
for.
Just making sure.
I bought it in 2004, practically brand new.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Just making sure.
I mean,
and you don't suspect that, there's not someone that has permission to drive the car or anything?
Nobody don't have no keys for it.
Okay.
Nobody doesn't have no permission to drive it. I just got it.
In this perplexing Ring doorbell footage, a lone woman navigates the contours of someone's property under the cover of darkness. With each stealthy step, she moves from one spot to another, her intentions veiled in mystery. Her actions take a bold turn as she attempts to open the door, only to be thwarted by its locked state. Faced with the undeniable barrier, she retreats into the obscurity from whence she came. In this startling Ring doorbell footage, a man and a woman stand before a stranger's door, their luggage in tow. A sense of intrigue fills the air as the man knocks repeatedly, their true intentions cloaked in darkness. With every echo of the door, questions arise about the purpose of their mysterious visit. In this first disturbing and daring Ring doorbell footage, two figures, concealed in hoodies and masks, approach a house with sinister intentions. With alarming efficiency, they break into the residence, make off with a valuable item, and swiftly vanish from the scene. In this nerve-wracking Ring doorbell footage, a lady, apparently undeterred by the time of day, is caught in the act as she crawls out from someone's porch, having stolen a package left outside the house. With swiftness and apparent nonchalance, she makes her escape, retreating to her car and speeding away. In this swift and daring Ring doorbell footage, we witness a man on a mission. With lightning-fast reflexes, he dashes to the porch, snatches a package, and makes a hasty retreat to a waiting car, all in a matter of seconds. In this tense and decisive Ring doorbell footage, a man is caught in the act as he attempts to steal a valuable package left outside the front door. But before he can make his escape, the homeowner intervenes, commanding him to drop the package and leave the property immediately.
Yes, can you please leave it right there? Thank you so much.
In this unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a man with suspicious intentions lurking on someone's property. His initial goal is to find a way to break into the house, but when his efforts prove unsuccessful, he resorts to searching the mailbox for any potential valuables to seize. In this audacious and unexpected moment, we witness a man who boldly takes a seat on someone's porch, determined to claim a valuable package that was delivered to the homeowner. His curiosity gets the better of him as he unboxes the package, assessing its contents with intentions unknown. Ultimately, he decides to make a swift exit with the package in hand. In this harrowing and dangerous moment, a hooded figure approaches a parked car, armed with a threatening weapon, and brazenly begins searching for valuables. However, the car owner, alert and courageous, notices the intrusion and shouts, forcing the intruder to hastily flee from the scene.
Get the f out of there.
In this nail-biting Ring doorbell footage, we observe a brazen intruder gaining access to someone's porch, seemingly unaware that they're under watchful eyes. The thief begins to snatch various items, including a stroller, only to have their plans disrupted when the homeowner intervenes. With determination in their voice, the homeowner orders the thief to return the stolen property, threatening to involve the police. Witness this dramatic encounter as the porch pirate makes a hasty decision, returning one item and escaping with the rest. In this swift and audacious Ring doorbell footage, a lady, with her sight set on a valuable item, accesses someone's porch and swiftly grabs it. With haste, she flees the scene, determined not to be caught by the homeowner. In this fast-paced and daring Ring doorbell footage, we witness a bold act of package theft. A lady, seemingly on a mission, drives to a particular neighborhood, leaps out of her car, and sprints to someone's front door, where a valuable package awaits. With lightning speed, she snatches it and races back to her car, making a hasty escape. In this audacious and underhanded Ring doorbell footage, a lady who operates under the cover of darkness. With unwavering determination, she strides up to someone's front door during the late hours of the night, brazenly swiping all the packages left outside. Without hesitation, she makes a swift exit. In this surprising and puzzling Ring doorbell moment, we witness a lady who boldly approaches someone's front door during broad daylight with apparent intentions to gain entry. However, her confidence quickly turns to shock and confusion as she discovers the door securely locked. In an abrupt change of plans, she hastily retreats from the scene. In this stealthy and audacious Ring doorbell moment, we witness a man with dubious intentions. He tiptoes to the front door, silently seizing a package that clearly isn't meant for him. With lightning speed, he makes a swift escape before the homeowner even has a chance to intervene. In this audacious and swift Ring doorbell moment, a man who operates with remarkable confidence. He approaches someone's porch with the clear intention of seizing a valuable item left unattended. Without hesitation, he snatches the item, stashes it in his car's trunk, and speeds away, managing to evade capture. In this surprising and unusual Ring doorbell moment, a man, seemingly with a peculiar agenda, ventures onto someone's porch and makes off with a shopping cart. His actions are swift and decisive as he snatches the cart and departs from the scene. In this intense and dramatic Ring doorbell clip, a man boldly leaps over the fence with intentions to pilfer valuables, but the homeowner intervenes, ordering him to return whatever he has taken. Realizing the gravity of the situation, the intruder swiftly escapes by leaping over the fence once again, as the homeowner alerts the police to the unfolding events.
I just looked at the bike, sorry. It's not bad.
Gotta leave the house, the police are on the way.
In this intriguing and cautious Ring doorbell clip, a woman, appearing to be in distress, rings the doorbell and explains that she has been driven to the location and is lost. However, the homeowner, prioritizing their safety, decides not to assist or step out of their home.
Hello?
Hey, some guy gave me a ride to here and I don't know my way back.
What are you looking for?
Langmeyer Road, and I don't know my way back.
Just go to the light and make
I'm not.
Go to the light and make a left on Bailey.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome. Yo, hon, somebody's at the door.
In this enigmatic and unsettling Ring doorbell scene, we observe a man wandering through a residential area under the cover of night. He carries a bag as he surveys the properties, leaving the homeowners unsure of his true intentions. In this concerning and covert Ring doorbell footage, a man under the veil of darkness, trespassing on someone's porch. His intentions are suspicious as he meticulously searches the mailbox, ultimately taking away important documents. In this surprising and concerning Ring doorbell footage, we witness a lady making a choice that could have serious consequences. Late at night, she arrives at a location, exits her car, and leaves it running with the doors wide open. Her disregard for her car's safety could inadvertently provide an opportunity for car thieves. In this mysterious and unsettling Ring doorbell footage, a parked car falls victim to a thief who brazenly smashes the door glass to gain access. The car owner, determined to seek justice, promptly calls the police to investigate the crime.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry to bother you so early in the morning.
No worries.
I saw you had a camera on your door.
Yeah.
By chance, does that record?
When there's like someone at the door in motion, yes.
Okay. It wouldn't, by any chance, catch anything like in that general area? As you can see, your neighbor has his window smashed out on his
Oh my god. Wait, I can't wait. Which one? Which neighbor am I?
It's that black key right there.
Oh my god. I could look.
If you could,
yeah, give me a second.
I'll be right here.
Yeah.
It just it happened sometime last night.
Yeah, let me see if I can get a picture.
Thank you.
As we approach the end of this video, I just wanted to say, if you've enjoyed the thrills and chills, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more hair-raising content. Remember to leave a comment, share with your friends, and hit that like button to help spread the fear.